Hi everybody, it's 5:19 and 5 seconds on June 2nd. This is the drawing for the Wolverine miniseries 1 through 4. Just going to state, as you can see, this thing filled in about 12 minutes, okay? So when you guys are commenting, I am editing the post as quickly as I possibly can in the order that people are asking for their spots. Okay, so you don't see that something is filled, but it is filled because you have to refresh the page in order for the edit to show up on your end. So imagine, again, you just saw it. As many people were commenting saying, I want this, what's left, it fills up very, very quickly. So sorry if you missed out, but it is what it is. It does fill quickly sometimes. So number is 8. Let's randomize 8 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the books, and they will go out in Monday's mail. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here's the final one. 8. Chad Whitmore, spot 9. Congratulations. Time is 5:20 and 20 seconds.